Hello, my friends! I'm here to tell you something about the silkworm. Do you know where the silkworm comes from? It comes from an egg laid by a female silkworm moth. The male and female silkworms mate with each other. We don't know exactly how long ago this was, but it must have been a very long time because the silkworm is mentioned in ancient Chinese texts. And it's also an important part of the ecosystem. So what does a silkworm look like? Well, it looks like a caterpillar, but it's not a caterpillar. It's a larva of the silk moth. If you want to learn more about silkworms, just ask your teacher or do some research online. And if you want to raise your own silkworms, well, you're in luck. You can buy silkworm eggs online. So go ahead and give it a try. You won't regret it. Silkworms come in all colors, from white to yellow to green to brown. Some are even multicolored. They can be long or short, fat or thin. It all depends on the species of silkworm. The Chinese kept silkworms as pets and raised them for their silk. The silkworms would produce cocoons, and then the Chinese would harvest the cocoons and make silk out of them. The Chinese were so secretive about their silk-making process that they even killed anyone who tried to take their silk secrets to another country. After mating, the female silkworm moth lays some eggs on a leaf. After about 10 days, tiny silkworms hatch from the eggs. After about 60 days, they will be ready to spin their cocoons. When they spin their cocoons, they will stop eating and drinking. And after about 2 weeks, they will emerge as beautiful silkworms. They are so small that you can barely see them. And they start to eat the leaves of the plant. As they eat more and more, they grow bigger and bigger. When they are ready to pupate, they spin a cocoon around themselves. Inside the cocoon, they stay for about 2 weeks. Then they emerge as beautiful silkworms, and the cycle begins again. The silkworm has been known to man for thousands of years. But the silkworm isn't just used for making silk. It's also a great source of food for birds and mammals. How do you raise a silkworm? Well, it's actually pretty easy. You just need to feed them leaves from a mulberry tree and keep them moist. So there you have it. That's what a silkworm looks like and how it's made. That's all for today. See you next time.